This is a very special one. As far as vans go, transporters go, this is the best that you can get. And the waiting list is ridiculous. You go and try and order in one, you could be waiting 12 months and up over. This 2021 71 registration transporter bi-turbo 204 brake horsepower, what you call the Sportline Black Edition, is about as good as it gets. In the amazing pure grey, that's the only colour you can get it in, and I don't blame him because it looks absolutely fabulous. Has just become available. It's physical. If you're in the market for a transporter and you need one for work, you need one for the kids, for the family, just maybe because you like to use the bikes, quads, whatever it is, this is it. Absolutely, this is it. It's a brand new model, new generation truck, and it looks unbelievable. Talk about jaw-dropping. As far as vans go, it looks mean, it looks beautiful from every single angle. With a DSG automatic gearbox, it drives superb, and with that sort of horsepower in a truck like this, what more could you ask for? So from the front, you've got a completely different look with a better bumpers. It's all colour-coded with more flair on them, all the black inserts. If you just do a little bit of homework on the Sportline Black Edition, this is a genuine Sportline Black Edition, not just a Sportline that's had added bits to it. It's come from the factory just like this. And wow, what a piece of work. You've got the glass pieces in the LED daytime running lights with a full LED headlight. I love this lovely dark red strip across the middle. You've got cruise control, front and rear parking sensors. Yes, you have got quite a low lip at the bottom for a van, but you know what? I'm yet to see anyone buy a truck like this and rag it about across some building sites. You wouldn't. You'd really cherish this because it's that type of truck. You've got the beautiful Sportline upgraded 18-inch alloy wheels, finished in a matte black. You have the sidebars there, again finished in matte black. Black mirror cap covers, roof rails again, which are finished in matte black. And then look at this inside here. Brand new model with a new dash with a ceramic touchscreen media system. You've got heated seats, half leather with the Alcantara, perforated honeycomb stitched seats with the leather armrest which can be retracted. Flat bottom steering wheel, and like the new Golf R Mark 8, you have that new steering wheel free spoke, which is such a pleasant place to be sat at and looking down at as and when you are. Full digital dashboard, again, a lot of the features have come from the Golf R, and this is what's so good about it, because normally when you talk about vans, it's just a van, it's just tinny, it is what it is. This is not any ordinary van. Look at it. So when you're inside, obviously the space amples them out of it, but you see the sharp angles, the heating dials, all the buttons, there's no blanks, pretty much it's all filled with everything that you want. For me, my personal favourite, because I've got that many kids, it's things like this. You press that button, the electric sliding door, that's a new addition to the transporter range, and that's amazing. For me, that sells it alone. Because when you're in car parks, it's ideal when you have kids, if you do use it for the kids. Obviously your air conditioning, your heated seats that I've mentioned, you've now got USCs. There's not many vans out there with USCs, the 12-volt socket, lots of cubby holes, there's cubby holes everywhere. But everything feels top quality, and I mean it. It feels as you'd expect it to. The way it looks is the way it feels. Let's just press that button one more time. Oh yeah, I love it. Perfect. 5-seater. Like anything, obviously them seats will come out anywhere. But when you're in here, you've got a double seat and you've got a single seat. And again, they come down with full Sportline embossed, a red stitching, again that honeycomb effect on there. And then that just flips up again. It's just, I can't do it. Got no muscles. It's just, if you're going to use it as a works van, I don't know. There's many reasons why you would use a van. A lot of people that I know use it as a works van, but then use it on a weekend with the family, with the kids, because a truck like this could quite easily go away in it for the weekend, no problem. And then this one has a few extras. You've got this full roof lining. So if you look at, I think there's only one more available. When I looked physically, and I don't think that's even available, try buying it. It's about £7,000 more than this one, and I'm sure it's some sort of a demo where they can't release it for about 15 years. So with this one, it's got a couple of extras, one being this, full Alcantara roof lining, soundproofed, and you've got LED spotlights in there as well, which is lovely. Obviously, each passenger has a 3-point seat belt. These window access here, if you look, you press that, and they slide back. Again, nice little features. We sometimes take for granted winding windows down the back, but in a van, normally, when they have glass, it's just a fixed glass. That's a nice little touch. But remember, when you have a truck like this, that there? Or you just pull the handle and it closes. Going round the back, like the front, you've got the new three-dimensional, very detailed, refined tail lights there. All LED, looks superb. Everything's colour-coded, as you can see. The Black Edition stickers down the bottom. The rear lip spoiler, double-coded, so you've got black and then another lip with a grey one there. And then you've got reversing camera system. And then you have an automatic tailgate. Beautiful. And then this is why you're buying this. Because you utilise it, you'll make it your own, you'll put your twist on it, you'll do what you have to do with it. Like I said, there could be many reasons. So this is all carpeted out, which is lovely. But then, nice little touch, it is what it is, bit gimmicky, but look at that, imprinted carpet VW. I quite like it, it's quirky, it's nice, but it feels not just a works van, if you know what I mean. And there's lots of space. And remember, them seats come out completely, so if you're not using them seats Monday to Friday, use it as a van. A very expensive one at that, but use it. Press that button, it closes up. It's a good size transporter as well. It's the right gearbox. It's the right spec. Well, as far as specs go, you can't get any better. With 3,500 miles on, I'm not exaggerating when I say it's like brand new. I love them sort of features because they mean quite a lot to me personally. And I think anyone that buys a truck like this, if they spend this sort of money, this is the sort of features you want. The colour, the pure grey, you can see is absolutely mind-blowing. Electric windows and mirrors, the Sportline mat, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, and then you have that new digital dash. So your navigation's on there, yes it is, but it's also on here. And you can configure that and change your dials. You've got the cruise control with adaptive cruise control, which is, there's not many vans out there that have adaptive cruise control, let's just be honest about it. My Range Rover hasn't got adaptive cruise control, so this van does. I love the position. Anyone that drives a van understands. I know guys and girls out there that own vans, but then own a luxurious car, maybe a Range Rover, might be an M3. They prefer to drive the van most of the time, even on weekends, and you can almost see why, because you're sat high up, you can chuck loads in the back, and they're absolutely brilliant. I genuinely love this car, but I meant what I said. Do your research. It's a very special van for a very special person, but do your research and you'll see you can't get one. Not for months and months and months. And if there is one available out there, try buying it, they won't even give you it. This one's physical, it's available, it's here at Acklam Car Centre. My name and number is down below. And one big thing that I forgot to mention completely, this is a VAT qualifying vehicle. So if you have got a VAT registered business, you can claim the VAT back. Obviously it's a commercial van anyway, with seats in there. It is VAT qualifying. I should have mentioned that at the start of the video, but I'm telling you now, if you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. I'm more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.